In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Easy Anti-Cheat is not installed in Fortnite. What you want to do is you want to open up your Epic Games, go to your library, find Fortnite and click here. Then you want to go to Manage and we want to find our installation folder. So just click on this button right here and you should get to the Fortnite folder. Then you want to go to Fortnite Game, Binaries, Windows and find Easy Anti-Cheat. What you want to do is you want to create a shortcut of your Easy Anti-Cheat setup. So just like this. Once you have the shortcut, you want to right click on it, go to Properties. In the target section, you want to go all the way to the back, type space, repair. Press apply and OK, and then launch it. Now after that, it should hopefully work. If it still doesn't work, go back into Properties. And then at the repair, you want to type, just before the repair, make these, space, come here, space, boom. So you make the shift 2 button, and then you make a space, repair, and then space, and do it again. Apply and OK and see if that one works. Now either one of these two should hopefully work for you. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.